I'm Kaushal Vora, CEO of Oxford Golf Resort. We at Oxford Golf Resort, we promote green revolution, and as a part of it, we have thousands of trees planted in the arena. Again, to take this initiative further, we have installed 6 EV chargers from last 1 year, and we have the clients' feedback very good for these EV chargers machines. Thank you, MG India and BU Bhandari, to take us this initiative further ahead.
One of the pride moments for MG and BU Bhandari to install the chargers at Oxford Golf. This is the best service we can offer to people who want to participate in the future mobility and the EV participation. Thank you so much again, Oxford and MG BU Bhandari.